Architectural Builder Supply is pleased to present you with this recording of the technical question that is listed in the title of this video.
This call may be monitored and recorded for quality assurance.
May I ask you a couple of questions on some unusual mortise cylinders?
I'll see what I can do.
Right on. So, I have, I need a 26098. I need that to be a 26098, except that it needs to be 2 1/4 long. Does that part number automatically get converted into XB11-475?
Yes.
I'm having trouble with security.
I'm sorry?
I'm having trouble with security lock. They're obviously one of their guys quoted it wrong, and I'm they're changing the quote, and I'm trying to figure out how I can make this work for all of us. So I'm sorry, sir, I interrupted you.
No, that's no problem. But you said the 26098, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, 1 second. I want to make sure I'm looking at stuff right here.
Right on.
So you're using that for, excuse me, full-size interchangeable core, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm looking. So I'm looking at the XB11-475, and that's telling me that's for a Primus full-size IC mortise cylinder, either a 20-763 or a 20-798.
Yeah, when we look at the price list, that apparently applies to 3 variants: full size, classic, Primus, and then the same full size, less core. Okay, so they got a list price 3 different ways: full size with a core, Primus with a core, or less core. So, and that's on page 353 of the price book, at least the one I'm looking at. So the question is, what's the right way to call out a 26098 2 1/4?
One moment. Let me confirm something on this real quick, okay?
Sure.
All right.
You and Ian. We are indeed holding. I'm sure the rep is just confirming how to navigate the catalog correctly.
All right, thanks for holding there, Richard.
You betcha.
Okay, so you can specify the 26-098 by your finish, and then you can specify that XB11-475
Okay.
plus your length. But just to also let you know, there's going to be a different cam that comes with that. But it is the same cam, but you're going to get the B502-292 cam with that.
Okay, well, I understand. So that's a 091. So if I wanted an 098, all I'm going to do is pick up the K510, blah, 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 the K510 711 Adams right cam.
Yes.
Okay, so but the bottom line is, if I wanted the B520 cam, it would be a 091, and if I wanted an 098, I think it would automatically come with the Adams right cam. Who cares? Doesn't matter. So, question is this: if I were to send a PO to the factory for an XB11-475, just that part number alone, would you know it? And that I indicated the finish and the size. Would you know what I wanted?
No, not really.
Okay.
You'd also need to specify the cylinder as well.
The base cylinder part. Yeah, exactly. Okay, I understand what's happening here. Okay. So regardless of the 26098 being 1.5 inches, which it is, or 5 inch, or whatever, it takes the standard 23030, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, cool. I got it. I know what to do. I think what happened was they just kind of they forgot something in terms of how they were quoting it, maybe the base cost of the cylinder alone. But the question is this: an XB11-475 gives me a list price, but that does not include the base cylinder, does it? That is just an adder for length to the base cylinder.
Correct.
Yeah, okay. So I am now going to take mercy on you, and I'm going to profusely thank you for helping me through
Okay,
this.
no, and anytime.
I've been a Schlage guy for 30 years, and I think my great-grandfather was selling Schlage while Walter Schlage was still alive. So we go way back. It's just the catalog, when I first saw it in 1990, is a different animal today. So sometimes
yes, it is. Yes, sir. No, I completely understand. Yes, sir.
Cool, Daddy-O. Thank you very much. Have a good rest of the week.
Awesome. You do the same. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Architectural Builders Supply hopes you have enjoyed this program.